Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain IUPAC nomenclature of amides. Amides are derivatives of carboxylic acid. In carboxylic acid, COOH group. Instead of OH, here NH2 group is present. That means CONH2 group. Organic compounds containing CONH2 functional group are called amides. Secondary suffix for CONH2 group, there are two secondary suffixes. One is amide, other is carbonamide. If you count carbon atom in parent chain, then amide will be the secondary suffix. If you are not count the carbon atom, if it is not possible to count carbon atom in the parent chain, then use secondary suffix carbonamide. So I am going to give examples. Example 1, H C double bond O OH. For this molecule, count number of carbon atoms. Only one carbon atom, meth, primary suffix an, remove e, and COOH. Sorry, this is amides. This is not carboxylic acid, amides. So NH2, HCO, NH2. So due to presence of CONH2 functional group, I am writing amide. So total meth plus an plus amide, methanamide. Methanamide is IUPAC name of this molecule. Next, second example, CH3 C double bond O NH2. CH3 C double bond O NH2. So here number of carbon atoms are 2, so root word is eth. Between those two carbon atoms single bond, so an, remove e and add amide. Whenever CH2, CONH2 group appear, write amide. So this is total ethanamide. Ethanamide. Ethanamide, like this. So HCOOH formic acid derivative farmanamide, common name is farmanamide. Farmanamide. CH3COOH acetic acid derivative acetamide. Acetic acid derivative is acetamide. Next, third example. For this molecule. So how many carbon atom? 3 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atom prop, single bond an, CONH2 group amide. Propanamide is IUPAC name for this molecule. Okay. Next example. Taking next example. The fourth one. This is molecule. Then count number of carbon atoms in parent chain. So open chain is parent chain because open chain containing functional group. Then number of carbon atoms 3. So prop. At second position cyclopropyl group. So 2 cyclopropyl is substituent. Next root word 3 carbon atoms. So prop plus double bond at second position, so 2 in, remove e and add amide. So this molecule is cyclopropyl prop 2 in amide. 2 cyclopropyl prop 2 in amide. Prop 2 in amide is the IUPAC name of this molecule. Next example. Molecule is like this. I'm taking phenyl functional group. Phenyl functional group. Then what is IUPAC? The similar way. 1, 2, 3. Similar to above one, we write IUPAC. 2-phenyl 2-phenyl propanamide. Two-phenyl propanamide is IUPAC name of this molecule. Okay. Take this one and I am going forward. CH3 C double bond O NH CH3. For this molecule, parent chain only 2 carbon atom. Here nitrogen came here. Parent chain cannot continue with nitrogen atom. Parent chain continue with only carbon atom. So what is the root word? Eth, ane, amide. On nitrogen one substituent is there. If substituent present on nitrogen, say N-methyl. N-methyl is substituent, secondary prefix. Eth is root word. Ane primary suffix. Amide secondary suffix. N-methyl ethanamide is IUPAC name of this molecule. Next, 6th example. For this molecule, count number of carbon atoms. The number of carbon atoms are 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms. So prop at numbering 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atom. So at second position chloro, on nitrogen bromo. So bromo beginning with B, chloro beginning with C. So first write bromo on nitrogen. So N-bromo. Do not consider N and number. Consider B, bromo, and 2-chloro. Secondary prefix is N-bromo, 2-chloro. Next root word is prop. Ane, primary suffix ane. Amide is secondary suffix. N-bromo, 2-chloro propanamide is IUPAC name of this molecule. Next. For this molecule. So count number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3 and 4. At third position methyl, on nitrogen bromo, phenyl. Third position methyl beginning with M, bromo beginning with B, phenyl beginning with P. Which one comes first? B comes first. M, B, P. So B is second letter. So N-bromo. Then after B, between M and P, M 13th letter, P 16th letter, M comes first. So 3-methyl and N-phenyl, N-bromo, 2-methyl, N-phenyl, total 4 carbon atoms. So bute at a second carbon double bond, 2-ene amide. This is the IUPAC name of this molecule. Okay, next. Eighth example. If I give molecule like this, for this molecule, here see this carbon, functional group carbon directly attached with ring. In this case, do not write amide, write carbonamide, cyclobutane carbonamide. IUPAC name is cyclobutane carbonamide. Cyclobutane carbonamide is IUPAC name of this molecule. Next. Between cyclic chain and functional group carbon, if one carbon is present, and see here functional group carbon not directly attached with ring. Between those two, other carbon is present. So no need to write carbonamide, just write amide. So parent chain with only 2 carbon atom, 1, 2. This is substituent. So how do you write its name? On second carbon, substituent cyclo 2, cyclobute 1 enyl, 2 cyclo, second position, cyclobute 1 enyl with amide. Ethanamide is the IUPAC name of this molecule. Next, one more example I want to give, last example. If molecule is this one. For this molecule, what is the IUPAC name? See here, functional group carbon directly attached with ring. Then write carbonamide. Next, numbering. This is 1, 2. Numbering with red, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Write IUPAC name. 2, 4. This is ethyl group, CH3, CH2 group, ethyl. 2, 4 diethyl, 2, 4 diethyl, cyclobutane, this is carbonamide. Two, 4 diethyl cyclobutane carbonamide is IUPAC name of this molecule. Hope you understood well. Take this, I am going forward to explain IUPAC nomenclature of esters. Esters are also derivatives of carboxylic acids. Or in amides, if we discuss 2 more example, 11th example, if it is like this, for this molecule, how do we write IUPAC name? Count number of carbon atom, 1, 2, 3. Due to presence of functional group here, open chain is parent chain. Then on nitrogen ethyl, on nitrogen bromo, on third carbon cyclopentenyl. Consider cyclo considerable, C bromo, B ethyl, E. Which one comes first? B comes first. So N bromo. After bromo consider cyclo. 3 cyclo pent. Numbering, always linking carbon become 1 prime, or 2 prime, 3 or 3 prime, 4 or 4 prime, 5 or 5 prime. Use prime, otherwise like write directly. 3 enyl, 3 prime enyl. Cyclopent 3 prime enyl, and on nitrogen ethynyl. N bromo 3 cyclopent 3 enyl, cyclopent 3 enyl, N ethynyl. This is prop, 3 carbon atom present here, prop N amide. This is IUPAC name of this molecule. Next, one more example. If molecule is like this. See here, this carbon atom. Functional group carbon directly attached with ring. Then use carbonamide. Carbonamide means this is parent chain. Cyclo numbering, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So double bonded carbon 1, 2. Do not come down, because if it is 1, definitely its partner of double bond should become 2. Then 6th position bromo. 6 bromo, cyclo hex 1 in 6 bromo cyclo hex 1 in carbonamide. This is the IUPAC name of this molecule. Next, I will start esters. IUPAC nomenclature of esters. What are esters? Esters are derivatives of carboxylic acid. Organic compound. The organic compounds which contain COOR functional group. COOR functional group. So in carboxylic acid, COOH, instead of OH here OR, are said to be organic compounds containing COOR functional group, are said to be esters. Esters. Secondary suffix for COOR is O8. ORR carboxylate. O8 or carboxylate. Both are useful. Next, general formula general formula of esters is R C double bond O R prime. So while writing IUPAC name, this is alkyl group, write first alkyl and this become alkanoate. Alkyl alkanoate. General IUPAC name is alkyl alkanoate. Alkyl alkanoate. Write first alkyl group name, then followed by alkanoate. See some example. HC double bond O OCH3. For this molecule, count number of carbon atom only one. So meth. Here first write this, its name methyl. Then this one, this is substituent, write first substituent name, then come to root word, only one carbon atom, so methane O8. So methyl plus methane, methyl plus root word meth, primary suffix ane, remove e and add O8. So total methyl methanoate. So if HCOOH is formic acid. Formic acid derivative methyl formate. Methyl methanoate, other name is methyl formate. Second example, CH3 COOCH3. For this, write first its name, substituent name methyl. Here count number of carbon atom 2, so eth. Between those two carbon atoms single bond ane, O8. Methyl ethanoate. IUPAC name is methyl ethanoate. Common name is CH3COOH acetic acid. Acetic acid derivative is acetate. Methyl acetate. Is a common name of this molecule. Okay. Take this one. I am going forward to explain a few more examples such that you understand clearly the concept of IUPAC nomenclature of esters. My intention giving various examples to cover almost all rules, almost all cases I am covering in my examples. Next, example number 3. For this molecule, right? So COOR, this is substituent, and substituent first carbon, and this is second carbon. In root word 1, 2, 3, like this. For this molecule, how do you write IUPAC name? So first branch name ethyl, 1-bromo ethyl. 1'-bromo ethyl is substituent. Then 3 carbon atom prop, between those 3 carbon atom single bond ane, O8. 1-bromoethyl propanoate is IUPAC name of this molecule. Next. For this example, count number of carbon atom in substituent 1 and 2. In parent chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Parent chain containing functional group. Your group substituent name is ethynyl. Eth plus ene yl yl. Substituent yl. So eth plus ene plus yl yl. Ethynyl. Ethynyl. And substituent at this position are 2-phenyl, and this is what? Butanoate. But plus An plus O8. IUPAC name of this molecule ethynyl 2-phenyl butanoate is IUPAC name of this molecule. First substituent name, then substituents on root word. Normal number in the sense it is substituent on root word. Phenyl butanoate. Next. Next example. For this molecule. So parent chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write substituent name first, phenyl. For phenyl numbering is from this one, 1 prime, 2 prime, 3 prime. 3 prime bromophenyl group, this one. This is phenyl group. Which phenyl? Bromophenyl group. So first write substituent name 3 prime bromophenyl or 3 bromophenyl. 3 prime bromophenyl, like that. And this is substituent at second position 2-ethyl. 2-ethyl pent 4-ene O8. Pent 4-ene O8 is IUPAC name of this molecule. Next. Here also write first substituent name 2 prime cyclopropynyl. 2 prime cyclopropynyl or cycloprop 2 prime enyl. Both are correct. Cycloprop 2 prime enyl, cycloprop 2 prime enyl. And write about this one. Here see, this carbon, functional group carbon not directly attached with ring. So parent chain this one, and this is substituent. On second carbon, which is substituent? Cyclohexyl. 2-cyclohexyl. Do not write carboxylate because functional group carbon not directly attached with ring. Just this one take as parent chain. This is substituent. 2-cyclohexyl. 2 carbon atom, ethanoate. Ethanoate is the IUPAC name of this molecule. Taking next example, cyclopentane substituent. I want to take this one. Next, right, see here parent chain is only COO functional group containing one, so only 2 carbon atom parent chain. This is cyclopropyl, and this is also substituent. Substituent is 1 prime, 2 prime, 3 prime, 4 prime. Do not select parent chain from longest continuous carbon atom. Select parent chain from chain containing functional group. Here functional group is present irrespective of the length of the chain. This is 4, this is 2. I am selecting parent chain from this one because this chain containing functional group. Here functional group is most priority than the length of the chain. Next, these two are substituents. At second position, cyclopentyl, cyclohexyl. So between pentyl, hexyl comes first, and this is phenyl. So first cyclo, and this is phenyl. Phenyl comes last. Cyclo compete with each other. Cyclopentyl, cyclohexyl. Pentyl P, hexyl H. H 8th letter, pentyl P 16th letter. So first write this one. What is that? First substituent name between here complete substituent, then comes to here. So 2 prime cyclohexyl, 2 prime cyclohexyl, and 2 prime phenyl. This is how many carbon atoms here total? 5 carbon atom. Pentyl, not pentenyl, pentyl. Which pentyl? This is pentyl group. 2 prime cyclohexyl, 2 prime phenyl, pentyl. And for this one, on second carbon, cyclopentyl, 2 prime cyclohexyl, 2 phenyl, 2 prime phenyl, pentyl, and second position cyclopentyl, ethanoate. Eth plus an plus O8, ethanoate. This is IUPAC name of this molecule. Next one. Two more examples. For this one, select parent chain. So your selection of parent chain is not appropriate because functional group carbon directly attached with ring. Then write first substituent name methyl. This is methyl. Methyl cyclobutane carboxylate. Cyclobutane carboxylate is the IUPAC name of this molecule. Okay, next, ninth one. If molecule is like this, COOC2H5, here CH2, COOC2H5, and CH2, here only one hydrogen possible, COOC2H5. Here are 3 functional groups. How many functional groups? 3 functional groups. Taking 3 functional groups into parent chain not possible. Then leave all those 3. This is propane. Then write these are carboxylates. Substituents name ethyl. Ethyl group 3 times, so triethyl. Ethyl group's name completed. Then write prop. Between carbon atom single bond, so ane, propane. Tricarboxylate. How many carboxylate groups? Tricarboxylate groups. So in propane, functional group carbon not counted, so carboxylate. This one. So in this way we write IUPAC name of esters and previous one amides. Hope you understood well. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. I mean, just like my video. If you trust this one is useful for mains and NEET aspirant, MSET aspirant, share this one to aspirants of competitive exam. Thank you.